to Frito-Lay in Perry, Georgia, one of the biggest chip factories in the world.
Great, we can handle that.
Well, we're just under 1 million square feet. We have 12 production lines, 1,500 people to coordinate. We make Lay's, Doritos, Fritos. We make fake Lay's, Cheetos. Most of the portfolio of Frito-Lay is made in this facility.
The factory is divided into 4 main areas. The bakery, where they make products like cheese puffs, Funyuns, and pretzels. The corn room, for tortilla-style products like Doritos. And the potato chip production area. At the center, a 65,000 square meter distribution center. The crew usually makes about 300,000 kilos of salty snacks daily. But now, they're stepping up production for the 4th of July holiday.
We'll run 24/7 right up into the holidays to get that product to the market.
Frito-Lay's #1 seller is the classic potato chip.
We are in a lot of pressure right now. We got to make nearly 2 million bags of potato chips by the 4th of July.
And for that, they'll need potatoes. A lot of potatoes.
We order 20 trucks a day, which is 1 million pounds. So we cook 1 million pounds of potatoes here at the Perry plant every day. The fresher the potato, the better the potato chip looks going in the bag and going to our consumer. We like to get them in here right out of the ground, run them right through the fryer and in the bag and on the way to a consumer in 6 to 8 hours, and that's fresh.
But before they accept the load, the crew does a quality check.
Looking for the perfect potato. I don't want them too big, I don't want them too small, and I don't want any defects or green on them. Taking the pulp temperature tells me how hot the potato is. That'll help us understand exactly how long they'll last. This potato is pulping about 82, 83 degrees, which is a little warm, but for this time of year, it's normal. When they're pulping this hot, we want to get these run through the fryer as quick as we can so they don't break down.
They also put the spuds through a water test.
The solids of a potato tells you how much meat compared to water is in the potato, the density of the potato. This number right here, 17.7, is actually put in the computer on the fryer, and that tells the fryer how fast to run them chips off of this potato through the fryer. Now we're going to put them in a bag.
The process starts with 6 peelers that roll and rub the spuds until skinned and clean.
Roughly between the 6 peelers, we have almost 1 million pounds of potatoes going through over 24 hours. So you're looking at least 300,000 per ship.
Peeled potatoes then pass through an automated inspector.
And as they're coming through, it's picking out a lot of the foreign matter, the defect potatoes, the rotten potatoes, just making sure the only thing that's processed are the good potatoes. The way it works is it's got basically some fingers across the whole unit, and when it sees a bad potato, it kicks it out.
Next, a slicer shaves each spud into thin layers.
As the potatoes fall in, and this head's turning, it actually takes the whole potato and slices it into small chips. It actually slices the potatoes right here. Let me show you. If you look in here, the potatoes are falling in, going to this head. The head's turning, and it slices the potatoes. When it goes in, it's the whole potato. When it comes out, it gets good slices. A good potato chip is the thickness. It's very important that we have the right thickness before it gets fried.
The uncooked chips pass under a vacuum system to remove the excess water. And into the fryer.